Hi, welcome back. In the previous lessons we've been discussing blend trees. Now what we've been able to do so far is primarily get everything up and running via the actual preview window here, but realistically what we want to do is actually have this driven within the actual scene itself. So let's see if we can set that up now. Now we're in the locomotion blend tree. Let's go up to the base layer, and as you can see here, the idle has been configured, but we don't have any transition states going on for the locomotion itself. So we'll just set one going to the locomotion and one going back to the idle. We have the speed parameter, which is currently being utilized, but we need to actually set up the actual conditions themselves. So we add one here when speed is greater than 0.1. Then we want to go to the locomotion blend tree, and when the speed value is less than 0.1, then we want to go back to the idle state. Let's see if we can play this now. Now at the moment that speed value there is set to 5. So we're expecting the actual character to immediately go for a walk. Animator, there we go. And if I go ahead and change that value up to say about a 7, then the character goes on running off into the distance. And so now we're probably going to need to create some kind of a script to make sure that well, we don't have to keep pressing F to go back to where the character is in space. So we'll go ahead and stop the video here, and we'll look to set that script up in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.